Hey everyone, and welcome back to Curious Earth. Today, we're diving into a question that's a little explosive. When a male honeybee or drone mates with the queen, it's his grand finale. His abdomen literally bursts open and he dies mid-air. Talk about a real buzzkill, but the queen? She just keeps going, collecting a cocktail of genetic material from multiple partners to build her hive's future. But that got me thinking, what if her first partner didn't meet such a tragic end? What if somehow one lucky drone survived with, say, titanium abs or something? Could he stick around and become a king bee? After all, termites have both a queen and a king lifelong partners who run their underground empire together. So why can't bees have the same setup? Well, even if our hypothetical super drone survived mating day, biology says he's still doomed to irrelevance. And the reason why is because bee genetics are, well, absolutely bizarre. Like humans, female bees create eggs that each carry half of her chromosomes. A male sperm adds the other half, and together they make a baby. Simple enough, right? But here's where the honeybee world flips the rules completely upside down. An egg doesn't actually need sperm to hatch. If a queen's egg is fertilized, it becomes a female, either a worker or a potential future queen. But if it's left unfertilized, it still develops. It just becomes a male. This means male bees are created from eggs that never even had a father. They are, in a very real sense, born from single-parent households. Every male bee in the hive gets all of his genes directly from his mother. No dad required. This has some really strange consequences. It means that males can only ever produce daughters, never sons. And even weirder, those daughters all share identical copies of his DNA. So if our imaginary king bee ever ruled, every single one of his daughters would be practically clones of each other. If one bad mutation showed up, boom, the entire hive's future could collapse in an instant. That is exactly why queens mate with a dozen or more males during their brief honeymoon flight. It's nature's ultimate insurance policy. More genetic variety means a stronger, healthier colony that's better equipped to handle diseases and environmental changes. Now let's play with this idea a bit more. What if bee genetics worked the opposite way? What if fertilized eggs became males and unfertilized ones became females? Would that finally help our king rise to power? Not really. In that alternate world, our drone would still only be able to father one sex this time. Just sons, while the females could still make daughters all by themselves. So even in this flipped scenario, the male becomes completely unnecessary for creating the next generation of females. No matter how you twist the genetics, you just can't make a king bee happen. The hive runs perfectly fine. In fact, it runs even better, with just one ruling queen. So while the queen bee may not wear a literal crown, she's still the ultimate monarch, dressed in gold and powered by some seriously royal mom genes. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this dive into the wild world of genetics, don't forget to like and subscribe for more curious questions.